students, this is Sivakumar, 10th standard mathematics, chapter number 3, exercise 3.5. Simplify. Totally 3 subdivisions are there. Okay. First subdivision. 4x squared y divided by 2x squared into 6x z cube divided by 20y power 4. Very simple problem. Divide by 2 table 2 times. Divide by 2 table 10 times. 6 and 10 we can cancel by 2 table. How many times? 3 times, 5 times. Then x squared cancelled. 1y get cancelled, so 4 becomes 3. That's all. Okay. So after cancelling the left out terms, 3 here, x z power 5, z power 3, 5y cube in the denominator, 5y cube. Oh. Subdivision number 2. P squared minus 10p plus 21 divided by y minus 7 into p squared plus p minus 12 divided by p minus 3 the whole square. Factorize 1 into 21. Coefficient of p, that is equal to minus 10. The two numbers are minus 7 and minus 3. Add the two numbers, minus 10. Multiply the two numbers, minus into minus plus, 7 3s are 21. We need factors. It is a polynomial, so we need factors. So consider the coefficient of p squared and write in numerator. 1 in numerator. Into variable we have p, so into p. So the two factors are 1 into p minus 7, another one p minus 3. This is not y minus 7, change it, p minus 7. It is also p minus 7. Okay, by p minus 7 into this quadratic expression has to be factorized into linear. 1 into minus 12, coefficient of p, that is equal to 1, minus 12 in product, in addition 1, the two numbers are 4 and minus 3. 4 minus 3 equals 1. 4 into minus 3, that is equal to minus 12. Again we have to write the factors. Consider the coefficient of p square, what it is, 1. Write in numerator. Into write p plus 4, p minus 3, p plus 4, p minus 3 divided by p minus 3 the whole square. You can write p minus 3 into p minus 3. P minus 3 get cancelled, p minus 7 get cancelled. Since product symbol, even you can cancel these two, p minus 3. So the left out factor is p plus 4. That's all. Last subdivision number 3, 5t cube divided by 4t minus 8 into 6t minus 12 divided by 10t. Okay, 5 table, what symbol here? Into, so you can cancel 5 and 10. 5 table 2 times 1t get cancelled, so 3 becomes 2. So t squared into 6t minus 12 divided by 2 into 4t minus 8. 2 into 4t minus 8. That is equal to t squared into 6t minus 12. 6 and 12, both the numbers in which table? 6 table. So you can take 6 as common, t minus 2. 6 into t, 6t, 6 into minus 2, minus 12. Divided by 2 into 4 and 8 both in 4th table. So take 4 as common, so t minus 2. Correct? Here 6 common, here 4 common. 4 into t, 4t, 4 into minus 2, minus 8. Now you can cancel 6 and 2 by 2 table 3 times. T minus 2 get cancelled. Here 3 and t squared is there, so 3t square divided by 4 in the denominator. Okay. All the 3 subdivisions are over. Problem number 1 is over. I will be teaching problem number 2 in the next video. Thank you, children. Hi students, this is Sivakumar. 10th standard mathematics, chapter number 3, continuation of exercise 3.5. Now problem number 2. Simplify. 2 subdivisions are given. Here it is. Subdivision number 1, x plus 4 divided by 3x plus 4y into 9x squared minus 16y squared divided by 2x squared plus 3x minus 20. Write that x plus 4 as it is. So 3x plus 4y, nothing is common, write as it is, into 9x squared. The square is only for x, not for 9. So 9x squared can be written as 3x the whole square, because 3 squared is 9 and x power 2 is x squared. Like that. 16y squared can be written as 4y the whole squared. Correct? Because 4 squared equals 16, y power 2 equals y squared. It is a quadratic expression. You can factorize. 2 into minus 20, that is equal to minus 40. 2 into minus 20 is minus 40. And the coefficient of x equals 3. Product minus 40, sum 3, the two numbers are 8 and minus 5. 8 minus 5, that is equal to 3. 8 into minus 5, plus into minus minus, 8 5s are 40. We need the factors. Consider the coefficient of x squared. What is here? 2. Write 2 in numerator. Into. Here we have the variable x. Write x. If it is possible, you can simplify 2 table 1 time and 4 times. Here 2 and 5, no chance of cancelling. So 1 into x plus 4. This is one factor. 2 into x, 2x minus 5 is another factor. So here that is equal to, even you can cancel x plus 4. So only 3x squared minus 4y the whole square in the numerator. So this is of the form a squared minus b squared. You know the identity, a squared minus b squared, that is equal to a plus b into a minus b. Instead of a we have 3x, instead of b we have 4y. Substitute over here. 3x plus 4y, 3x minus 4y. Because a that is equal to 3x and b that is equal to 4y. Okay. Now denominator we have 3x plus 4y into 2x minus 5. 3x plus 4y get cancelled. So what is the numerator? 3x minus 4y divided by 2x minus 5. Subdivision number 1 is over. Now subdivision number 2. X cube minus y cube divided by 3x squared plus 9xy plus 6y squared into x squared plus 2xy plus y squared divided by x squared minus y squared. For x cube minus y cube, you have to apply the identity a cube minus b cube. A cube minus b cube, that is equal to a minus b into a squared plus ab plus b squared. Instead of a and b we have x and y. Substitute a equal to x, b equal to y. So you will be getting x minus y. A squared becomes x squared. A into b, x into y, xy. B squared, y squared. X cube minus y cube, factorization over. By 3, 9, 6, all the 3 numbers in 3 tables, so take 3 as common. After taking 3 common, you will be getting x squared plus 3xy plus 2y squared. 3 into x squared, 3x squared, 3 3s are 9 into xy, 9xy, 3 2s are 6 into y squared, 6y squared. Into, so x squared plus 2xy, the next step you can factorize, divided by a squared minus b squared. Identity, you know very well what is the identity for a squared minus b squared. a plus b into a minus b. So instead of a and b we have x and y. You replace a by x and b by y. Come on, x plus y, x minus y. X plus y into x minus y. Since we have a product sign, we can cancel x minus y. That is equal to, here x square plus xy plus y squared, write as it is, into this one can be factorized. Say, look at that. Here we have x squared in one side and one corner, another corner we have y squared. The combination of x and y at the middle. In that case also we can factorize. How to factorize? Coefficient of x squared is 1, coefficient of y squared also 1. Correct? 1 into 1, that is 1. Once again, coefficient of x squared is 1, coefficient of y squared is 1, 1 into 1, that is equal to 1. And coefficient of xy equals 2, right? 2 over here. Product 1, sum 2, the two numbers are 1 and 1. Look at that, 1 plus 1, 2, 1 into 1 equals 1. We need the expression, factors. So you have to consider the coefficient of x squared. What it is? 1, right? 1 in numerator. We have two variables, one side x, another end y. In that case, multiply the numerator by x, denominator by y, into x into y. So 1 into x, x, 1 into y, y. So x plus y, like that. 1 into x, x, 1 into y, y. So again x plus y. Same procedure to be followed here. Write 3 first. We need the factors. Again we have to factorize. Coefficient of x squared is 1, coefficient of y squared is 2. 1 into 2, that is equal to 2. And the coefficient of xy equals 3. Product to 2, sum 3, the two numbers are 2 and 1. 2 plus 1 equals 3, 2 into 1 equals 2. Once again you have to consider the coefficient of x squared. What is here? Write 1. 1 in numerator, 1 in numerator. Here we have two variables x and y, into x in the numerator, into y in the denominator. So come on, 1 into x, 1x, 2 into y, 2y, so x plus 2y. 1 into x, x, 1 into y, y, so x plus y. So here we have one more x plus y. Then we have to simplify. X plus y, another x plus y get cancelled. That's all. So the left out x square xy plus y square in numerator, denominator 3 into x plus 2y. So problem number 2, both the subdivisions over. I'll be teaching problem number 3 in the next video. Thank you, children. Hi students, this is Sivakumar. 10th standard mathematics, chapter number 3, continuation of exercise 3.5. Question number 3. We have 4 subdivisions. In first subdivision, there is a change, small change. Instead of 3a squared, please change it to 2a squared. Can do one by one. Now subdivision number 1. This is a question. Write the first expression as it is. Then change division into multiplication. Whenever you are given division, change it to multiplication. After that you have to write the reciprocal of this expression. That is minus 5a squared minus 35a minus 15. So divided by a squared plus 6a plus 5. So once again write this expression as it is, change division into multiplication, then you have to write the reciprocal of this expression. Okay, you know the reciprocal, numerator into denominator, denominator into numerator. Then we can factorize one by one. First 2 into 3, 2 3s are 6, product is 6, sum 5, the coefficient of a is 5. The two numbers are 3 and 2. 3 plus 2 5, 3 2s are 6. Then consider the coefficient of a square. What is the coefficient of a square? 2. Write 2 in numerator. Then into variable we have a. So into a into a. 2a, here you can divide by 2 table. One time. So 2 into a, 2a plus 3 into 1 into a plus 1. Now 2 6 are 12. Next one 12 and coefficient of a is 7. Product to 12 sum 7. The two numbers are 4 and 3. 4 plus 3 7. 4 3s are 12. The coefficient of a square here 2. Write 2 in numerator. Once again the variable a. Divide by 2 table 1 time, 2 times. 1 into a plus 2. 2 into a, 2a plus 3. So a plus 2 into 2a plus 3. 2a plus 3, 2a plus 3 get cancelled. Into, before factorizing we can take minus 5 as common. Correct? If you take minus 5 as common, here you have to write a squared plus 7a plus 10. Minus 5 into a squared minus 5a squared. Minus 5 into 7a, that is minus 35a. Minus 5 into 10, that is equal to minus 50. So write this expression and the next step we can factorize. Okay, equals minus 5 into a plus 1 is minus 5 into a plus 1. Into, we have to factorize this. Coefficient of a squared equals 1. 1 here. 1 into 10, 10. Then coefficient of a equals 7. Product 10 sum 7. The two numbers are 5 and 2. 5 plus 2 7. 5 2s are 10. The coefficient of a squared here 1. So write 1 in numerator. Once again into a plus 5, a plus 2. A plus 5 into a plus 2. Write the whole divided by a plus 2 here. This one has to be factorized. 1 into 5, that is equal to 5. And coefficient of a, that is equal to 6. Product 5 sum 6. The two numbers are 5 and 1. 5 plus 1 6. 5 ones are 5. Once again the coefficient of a square equals 1. Here 1. Write 1 in numerator. Into a 1 into a plus 5, 1 into a plus 1, a plus 5 into a plus 1. So a plus 1 get cancelled, a plus 5 get cancelled, even a plus 2 get cancelled. So which one is left out? Minus 5. Subdivision number 1 over. Now subdivision number 2. Here is the question. Once again you are given division. Write the first expression as it is. Change division into multiplication, then you have to write the reciprocal. So b squared minus 5b minus 14 in numerator and b squared minus 49 in denominator. We have to factorize one by one. Okay. 1 into minus 28 is minus 28. And coefficient of b, that is equal to 3. The two numbers are 7 and minus 4. 7 minus 4 equals 3. 7 into minus 4 equals minus 28. Here the coefficient of b squared equals 1. What is the variable here? B. So 1 into b. Here also 1 into b. So 1 into b, b plus 7. 1 into b, b minus 4. B plus 7 into b minus 4 divided by 1 into 4, 4. And the coefficient of b is 4. Product 4, sum also 4. The two numbers are 2 and 2. 2 plus 2, 4. 2 into 2, 4. The coefficient of b squared equals 1. Write 1. Variable we have b. So 1 into b, b plus 2. 1 into b, b plus 2. b plus 2 into b plus 2. Put into. It has to be factorized. 1 into minus 14 is minus 14. And the coefficient of b, that is equal to minus 5. The two numbers are minus 7 and 2. Correct? Minus 7 plus 2, that is equal to minus 5. Minus 7 into 2, that is equal to minus 14. Now write the coefficient of b squared. Here 1. variable b, 1 into b. So 1 into b, b minus 7, 1 into b, b plus 2. b minus 7 into b plus 2. This one you can write b squared minus 7 squared. 49 can be written as 7 squared. The next step, write b plus 7 into b minus 4 divided by, you can cancel one b plus 2. So b plus 2, one more b plus 2. Here b minus 7. This is of the form a squared minus b squared. We know that a squared minus b squared identity is a plus b into a minus b. So b squared minus 7 squared, you can write b plus 7 into b minus 7 according to this identity. Okay. Now these two get cancelled. Because a product you can cancel b plus 7 also after cancelling. So b minus 4 in numerator and b plus 2 is in denominator. Subdivision number 2 is over. Now subdivision number 3. Very simple problem. Write x plus 2 divided by 4y as it is. Change division into multiplication. Then you have to write the reciprocal. 12y square in numerator and denominator x squared minus x minus 6. So what symbol you have? Product. So you can cancel 4 and 12 by 4 table. How many times? 3 times. 1y get cancelled. So 1y will be in the numerator. Then we have 3, we have y and x plus 2. You can write 3y into x plus 2 divided by. So here everything is cancelled. We have x squared minus x minus 6. We have to factorize. We can factorize. So the coefficient of x squared equals 1. 1 into minus 6 equals minus 6. Coefficient of x equals minus 1. Right, minus 1. Product minus 6, sum minus 1. The two numbers are minus 3 and 2. We can verify. Minus 3 plus 2, that is equal to minus 1. If we add the two numbers, minus 1. If you multiply the two numbers, minus into plus, that is equal to minus. 3 2s are 6. Now, what is the coefficient of x squared? 1. Write 1 in numerator. Into, we have the variable x. So, into x, into x. 1 into x, x minus 3. Another factor, 1 into x, x plus 2. So, x plus 2 get cancelled. We will be getting 3y divided by x minus 3. That is the answer. Now, last subdivision number 4. Write the first expression as it is. Before that, you can take 2 as common because 12, 22 and 8. All the 3 numbers in 2 table. Take 2 as common. 2 into 60 squared. 2 into 60 squared is 12t squared. 2 into minus 11t is minus 22t. 2 into 4 is 8. Divided by 3t as it is. Then whenever you are given division, you have to change into multiplication. Then the 2t square plus 4t comes to the numerator. 2t squared plus 4t divided by, this one comes to the denominator. 3t squared plus 2t minus 8. So reciprocal. Okay. Now we have to simplify. 2 into, we have to factorize. 6 into 4. 6 into 4, that is equal to 24. Coefficient of t, that is equal to minus 11. Product 24, sum minus 11. The two numbers are 8 and 3. For getting minus 11, you have to introduce minus for both the numbers. Minus 8 minus 3, that is equal to minus 11. Minus into minus plus, 8 3s are 24. What is the coefficient of t squared? 6. Write 6 in the numerator. Variable we have t into t. Divide by 3 table. 1 time, 2 times. Here you can divide by 2 table only. 3 times and 4 times. 3 into t, 3t minus 4. 2 into t, 2t minus 1. Into. Here 2 and 4 we can take 2 as common. T square and t as common. After taking 2t as common, you will be writing t plus 2. You can verify. 2t into t, that is equal to 2t squared. 2t into 2, that is equal to 4t. Divided by. Here we can factorize. 3 into minus 8. 3 into minus 8 equals minus 24. And here coefficient of t is 2. product minus 24, sum 2, the two numbers are 6 and minus 4. 6 minus 4 equals 2, plus into minus minus, 6 4s are 24. Here the coefficient of t square, that is equal to 3, write 3 into t is a variable, 3 into t. Can divide by 3 table 1 time, 2 times. This one cannot be simplified. So 1 into t plus 2. T plus 2 in numerator, first factor. Second factor is 3t minus 4. 3t minus 4. T plus 2 get cancelled. 3t minus 4, 3t minus 4 get cancelled. T get cancelled. That is equal to 2 into 2, 4. Then we have 2t minus 1, 4 into 2t minus 1 divided by cancelled, 3 only left out in the denominator. That is the answer. Fourth subdivision is also over. I will be teaching the next problem, that is problem number 4, in the next video. Thank you, children.